Hello to all the creatives out there. I am Dhaval Khanna and today I am going to teach you how to make Instagram filters using the LUT files in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. Now, if you're a filmmaker, you might already be using LUT files to bring that cinematic look across all your films. So what if I told you you can bring that exact same look on your Instagram stories as well? Sounds amazing, right? So let's jump into it. In order to make Instagram filters, you are going to need two softwares. The first one is Spark AR, which is made by Facebook, and second one is Adobe Photoshop. Also, you will need a project file that I have attached in the description down below. You can get it for free. Once you have downloaded all your files, you will see a creatives.in folder. Open that folder and navigate to neutral_lut.png. Open this in Photoshop. Now, once Photoshop is open, you will see a neutral LUT file on the screen. Open it in Photoshop. Just ignore the image how it looks because that's not important. Go to the layer panel and click on the adjustment layer. Select the lookup table. Once you click that, you will see a load 3D LUT file. Once you click that, it will ask you to load a 3D LUT file. That's just your regular LUT file. Click on the load 3D LUT file and navigate to the file that you want to make filter of. Once you have loaded the filter, the boxes in the image will change a bit. That means your LUT file has been successfully applied. Once done, just go to the file, export as. Now remember that we want to make the LUT in highest quality possible. So choose the file as .png and choose the settings at preserve details. Click on the export all and we are halfway done. Close Photoshop. Now we are going to use Spark AR, a free software made by Facebook specifically for making Instagram and Facebook filters. Just double click on the creatives_filter.project file, which will open an existing project file. Now here is the best part. I have already done all the technical stuff, so you just have to upload your .png file, export it from Photoshop and you are good to go. Click the asset button on the bottom left and click on import from computer. Choose the file we just exported from Photoshop and click open. Now just hold click and drag it to this patch editor right in front of you and you will see your file name there. If this menu is not available, don't freak out. Just select view, show hide patch editor or just press command option P. Once you drag the file, click on the very first arrow of your exported file and connect it to the LUT node. Done. You will immediately see a change in the selfie screen in the top. Now, select your LUT file from assets and go to the menu on the right. Scroll down and select no compression. Now, you might be thinking why we are doing this. We are doing this to make our filter in the highest quality possible. Now comes the most interesting part of this tutorial, testing our filter. Click on the test device on the left and click send to Instagram. Once done, just wait for 5 to 10 seconds and you will see your filter in the notification area of the app. Now, remember, this would be the same Instagram account which you used to sign in to the Spark AR software. Just play around and test your different LUT files in the software. Once done, just click on the upload and export and choose publish new effect and choose upload. If your browser doesn't open with Spark AR dashboard, don't freak out, just export file to desktop and you can upload it manually on their website. Once your browser opens its Spark AR dashboard, select Instagram and choose a catchy name for your filter. Select the category of your filter which it belongs to and choose appropriate keywords. Now, go to the Instagram app and shoot few demo videos with your LUT file using the preview option. Now, click on the upload button in the media section. Make a catchy icon for your filter or you can just pick one for free from flaticon.com. Now, select a publication date for your filter and describe your effect so that Instagram can approve it. Almost done. Just click on the submit button. Once you submit the filter, your filter will be in review and once it gets approved, it will show up in the filter tab within 10 business days. Cool, isn't it? So, did you enjoy it? Now that we are done, all your stories will get that unique look just like your films. Since your filter is public, your followers can get that same cinematic filter under your name. This will also bring new audience for you. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay creative.